Hey everyone, my name is Lacey and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing another doodle video in my bullet journal. I really like to doodle in my bullet journal because I think it's relaxing. It's something that I could do that isn't just me being responsible, doing my bills, doing things for my for school and stuff like that, because I'm a teacher, not because I'm a student. So yeah, I thought it would be fun. I wanted to do something for 4th of July, Independence Day in the US, and then I also did half of the second page as Canada Day because I do live in Canada, and the other half of that page as Québec National Holiday, which is St. John Baptist Day, because I do live in Quebec. And it was really fun trying to think of little doodles for every box. I was trying to think of things that reminded me of the US, like on 4th of July we have cookouts, we have burgers, you have popsicles because it's hot, apple pie reminds me of the US, and of course we have fireworks and the little podium for speeches and an eagle. Everyone's wearing the USA clothing and there's a grill for the barbecue and drum for the parade, just things like that. I thought that would be really fun. Canada, we also have the flag, we have a moose, Canadian goose, and a beaver. Those are animals that I always hear about. In Canada we have the flag, maple syrup. In the Quebec one, it was really hard because there wasn't like really a lot of doodles. There was a lot of buildings, but I didn't think I had enough room to do that. I even tried to do the Chateau Frontenac, but there was really not enough room. I did a fleur-de-lis for the flag. I did a whale because I remember when I first came here we went to Totasac, which is a place where we saw whales, and I did fishing. Matt's parents really love fishing. Poutine, and then the little teepee statue was from a place called, I know I'm not gonna pronounce it right, but like Mastawash, something like that. A place where we went when I first went here. It was a place that there was indigenous people and they did a powwow and it was really fun. And then the last one was like this weird snowman guy that is from some kind of like winter festival, and Matt says everybody thinks he's really creepy, which he kind of is, to be honest. But it was a lot of fun, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I apologize it's not a crafting video. I do want to do some crafting, I just really haven't had enough time. We are getting out of quarantine, things are going back to normal, but there's been so much to do. We've been trying to do like spring cleaning, and my work has been so busy. I just haven't had time for really anything. So I am gonna do crafting videos. I don't want you guys to think that I'm just giving up on crafting videos. This is Lacey May Crafts, and I really do want to. Comment below if you have an idea that you want me to do, and also I did not forget about the giveaway. We are still doing the giveaway. I just literally haven't had time. Okay, yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Of course, you can leave me an emoji. I'm sure there's like flag emojis. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.
Days are always over. myself up in the backseat, driving to you on the back streets. All the other ones are asking. I'm just trying to find you, 'cause I don't got no ties. We're running out of time, so I'll be home tonight. I'm coming home. Come right back to me. I'm coming home. Yeah. I just wanna see you, wanna